To begin, open the Instagram app on your phone. Tap the plus icon at the top of your story to start creating a new one. You can take a new photo or video, or select one from your gallery. On the preview screen, you will see Add a Caption just below the media. If you don't see it, ensure your Instagram app is updated. Now tap on it. Type your comment to use as a caption for the post. Then tap the blue arrow button to continue. You can still add stickers, text, and other creative tools before posting. Then tap Your Story or Close Friends to share it. Your story will then be visible to your followers for 24 hours. From now on, anyone who views your story will see your caption displayed below the media. Adding a caption makes your post more engaging, and helps convey the message or context behind your photo or video. So that's how you can add a caption on your Instagram story.